Some active stocks for Wednesday, the 23rd of July 2025. We have AMOD, DNUT, LCID, and WOLF. So we'll kick off with AMOD up 58.19%. Yeah, 58.19%. Let's see what we have here. This is the 4-hour chart. Higher prices are expected to remain in place up till the end of today's trading session. By then, the buying pressure would have eased off somewhat. It would have eased off somewhat. So the prime buying pressure, let's see now, was at its peak currently. Yeah, it's not abating at the moment. As things stand right now, you can see everything: price pressure, momentum, buying pressure very high. Um, Very strong trend mode. Trend mode is from 0.25. This is 49.3. So that gives you an indication of how strong the buying pressure is, or yeah, how strong the buying pressure is and how steep the angle of attack is. You can clearly see that quite steep. So this is what's going on pretty much. And let's see now in terms of projections. We have 1.08. It's a downward projection, nothing to the upside here. I failed to mention that after today's trading session, a distributive contraction is expected to play out and may stabilize by after Tuesday, the 29th of July. Those are just extrapolations. No guarantee that that will be the case. Do we have anything further up? Nothing further up. We just have downward projections extrapolated here. Okay, let's look at the daily chart and see what's going on the daily chart. Okay, there are no extrapolations. No extrapolations. We have higher prices here. They were in play as of early May. We have 2.13, 2.31. No guarantee those will print. Let's see what we have further up. Okay, we still have further upper projections as of late March. We have 5.50, 7.12, 8.13. So we'll make a note of those projections for MAOD. AMOD. Let's see, we have 5.50, 7.12, and 8.13. Okay, so scrolling back, let's see what we have. Yeah, we have 1.82, 2.13, 1.82, 2.13, and 2.31. There are downward projections as well. We have here 0.4194, 0.0259. Yeah, it's important that we mention those as well. Yeah, really low downward projections as well. Okay, let's see whether there's any news behind this strength. It's showing no news, no fresh news. The company received confirmation of listing transfer to Nasdaq Capital Markets. Okay, yeah, that's what we're looking at. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Next is DNUT. DNUT. Let's see what we have. DNUT up 12.55%. Krispy Kreme 2.47%. Let's see what we have. Higher prices are expected to remain in place up till Thursday, the 24th of July, and then after that, we might see a distributive contraction That is expected to remain in place up till Wednesday, the 20th of August, and then after that, we might see the uptrend may resume. Yeah, no guarantee that that will be the case. We have downward projection of 2.99. Yeah, downward projection of 2.99. Okay, intraday high printed was all the way back in November, so that's an upper projection, 12.68. So let's make a note of that. DNUT 12.68. Okay, before we continue, we need to see what's going on. What's the news? Okay, Krispy Kreme shares jumped 34.4% in this pre-market in the pre-market session of today, adding to a 27% rise the day before. Okay, okay, it is probably. Is it because of its short interests? Let's see now. It might be. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. It might. It's yeah. It's becoming a meme stock. Yeah. Okay. So in any case, it's showing a lot of strength within a longer term bearish trend. Buying pressure very high. Let's see here on the yeah we have here yeah everything is strong. Everything's strong trend mode, but because it's a daily chart, it may not for now. It may not be as strong because the buying just began. It began just late or just on Monday. It's gradually picking up. We'll see what we have on the what we have on the 4 hour chart in terms of buying pressure. On the 4 hour chart, we have yeah, we had that rejection there, $5 and some fraction, and lower prices expect to yeah keep laying out up till Monday. I mean, first of April, first of August. Buying pressure. Let's see what's going on now. Okay, still very strong, but yeah, it's there's an indication it's decelerating. Yeah, we have this negative derivative on the price pressure momentum too on this one. This one measures the angle of attack of the 21 period moving average. So short sellers have started to creep in. Yeah, we can clearly see that. Yeah, we can clearly see that. What sort of projections do we have? 3.46. It's a down projection. 3.46. Okay. We didn't check the projections on the daily chart to see what we have there. We have 2.99. It's a down projection. 3.31, 3.34. Let's see what this is. Okay, 7.4. We have let's see what we have. We have $5.5, 5.42, and 5.67. Then we also have 7.46. And then indeed 12.68. No guarantee that those will print out. Okay, let's see what's going on with LCID. LCID is down 1.28%, 1.24%. Let's see. Let's see what the news is. Shares jumped 7.3% after announcing access to Tesla supercharging network from 31st of this month. collaborates with critical mineral producers in the US. Said Wednesday it has formed a collaboration with four major critical mineral producers called Minerals for National Automotive Competitiveness Collaboration. Alaska Energy Metals, Graphite One, Electric Metals, and Recycle Co. Recycle Co. Okay. The aim is to support a completion of offtake agreements, accelerate mineral production, and expand coordination between mining firms and automakers. Launches a collaborative. Okay, okay. There's this. Yeah, they okay. Yesterday was up 11% after they after the company said its entire Air range will plug into Tesla's supercharger network via an approved adapter starting by the 31st of July. The expanded access could help address charging convenience for owners. The company also outlined enhancements for its 2026 Air lineup. The company raised its EPA estimated range of its Touring model by more than 6% to 431 miles. Okay, and much more going on there. So this is the daily chart. Yeah, we have rejection expected by tomorrow. Yeah, no, after tomorrow by Friday, it's expected to continue to print lower prices up till Thursday, the 22nd of August. No guarantee that that will be the case. Let's see what we have. We have 2.32. It's a downward projection. Let's see what we have. Okay, so even though the stock, okay, yes, buying pressure is still in place, still sustained. But however, it's decelerating on this daily chart. You can see we have a negative second derivative for the 21-day moving average. Let's see. I think we may have previous upper projections. We may have previous upper projections. Can't see them anywhere. Okay, so let's just quickly glance at the 4-hour chart. Okay, yeah, lower prices are still expected to play out here as well on the 4-hour chart. Let's see, upper projections we have, yeah, 3.51, 3.55, 4.11, 4.46. No guarantee those will print. 3.51, 3.55, 4.11, and 4.46. Okay, so let's move on to the last one. We have WOLF. Okay, up 30, roughly 39% wolf speed. Up 42% now. Let's see. Don't think there's any new. Okay, there might be some news. Okay, we have 1.9, 2.1, 2.22. Those are some of them are upper projections. Strength is expected to remain in place up till Thursday's pre-market session, and then we may go into a distributive contraction, going all the way towards Friday, the 1st of August. Let's see what we have. Whether we have further upper projections. Okay, buying pressure seems to be strong. Yeah, but we have a very seriously negative second derivative on its 21 period moving average, indicating that the buying pressure may be decelerating. Okay, let's look at the daily chart. Yeah, so the line trend is a bearish one. However, strength is expected to remain in place up till Monday, the 28th, and then after that, we may go into a further downward trend. We have 1.36, 1.08, 1.41, but we may have higher projections that were in play earlier on. Yeah, we have 3.92, 3.92, 4.97, and 5.61. Okay, see what you make of these stocks, and thank you very much for watching this video.